Oh, hi! I was just folding away my sweaters. You know now how much they need to be taken care of. I'm just doing that. These are all my elder sister's childhood sweaters, and you can understand how much my mom has taken care of these woolies all these years. Don't worry, I'll tell you the ways she applies, like how you can take care of your woolies so that it looks like a new one every time you wear. Today's episode number 2, I'm gonna share all the tips and tricks on how you can take care of your woolies, so that it looks like a new piece and it lasts long as well. So without any further ado, let's get started with the video, and please keep watching the video till the end. Tip number 1: never ever put your hands or any kind of heavy stuff in the pocket of your sweater, because often it leaves your sweater being shaggy, and I guess you don't want that. So after wearing your sweaters, please empty your pockets, because we have a bad habit of putting our hands or any stuff on our pocket even after we are done wearing the sweater. So remember not to put your hands in the pocket of your sweater when you're out, and not to keep any heavy stuff in your pocket when you're done wearing, and when you're about to store it in the wardrobe. Keep it in the mind. Do you know the speciality of a woolen stuff? You don't know? Let me tell you. The woolen sweaters can keep them naturally clean, expelling all the odors through moisture control. And that means you don't have to wash the woolen stuff regularly, and you can simply air them out for an hour, at least for half an hour. Isn't it cool? I think it's the best part about woolen stuff. But in case if you're a maniac, like if you have to wash your woolen sweaters regularly, if you're a maniac, then the tip number 3 is perfect. Tip number 3 is very important, so listen it carefully. In tip number 3, I'll tell you how you can wash the woolen sweater properly. Like there are ways of washing a sweater, so please listen it carefully. And first, if you don't have a washing machine, then first what you have to do, sweater or woolen stuff with cold water or seltzer, and then blow them dry with a clean cloth. And after washing it, to remove the excess water, use a towel, like to roll the garment in a towel, and then dry it on a flat surface away from heat or direct sunlight, or you can just simply hang it. But if you have a plan to hang it, then don't make it too wet, like don't use excess water, otherwise the sweater will lose its shape. As you don't have a washing machine, I have seen my mom how she does it, so I am sharing all the tips from her, like all credit goes to her. But if you have a modern washing machine, then use wool cycle or use hand wash. Like you can use detergent, which is particularly made for sweaters, like Easy. You can use that. If there's a myth that clothes need to be dry clean every single time, and let alone sweaters, like I say, no, there's a big no, because traditional dry cleaning causes negative impact on environment, textile fibers, and especially skin due to highly chemical intensive. So it's better to avoid the dry cleaning. I suggest you not to dry clean your clothes, especially your woolen stuff, because I don't see any good things in this case, so please avoid. So we have already talked about how to wash the woolen stuff or how to hang it so far, and now we'll talk about how to store it and where to store it. Woolen sweaters attract moths a lot, so if you don't keep your sweaters in a proper place, then it can cause holes by the moths. So to keep the moths at bay, please use a cotton bag to store it, and it will help you a lot. Pleated sweaters can be folded away very gently, but can't be hung, because if you hang it, then it will lose its shape, because the wools or the knitting has a tendency to stretch, so it's better to not hang. But if you have coats or jackets, you can hang it, because of its different material. Now we're almost at the end of the video, and the last point, the point number 7, I want to talk about the longevity of a wool. As wool is long lasting and durable, so before disposing it, try to give it to others. Like if you are tired of wearing the same sweater for a long time, and if you want to buy a new one, so you want to dispose it, so don't do that. Try to give it to your friend, or you donate to the poor child who can't afford buying expensive sweaters. You will find lots of NGOs out there, so contact with them and try to give it to others before disposing it. Reports say that extending the life of clothing by an extra 9 months would reduce the carbon waste by 20 to 30%, which is really great. So don't despair the woolen stuff or woolen sweater if you find any hole or fault. So to repair the fault sweater or fault woolen stuff, contact the local shop or the brand you have brought from and repair it. But in case it is beyond repair, try to recycle it, and that's how you will get a whole new product from the old woolen garment or woolen stuff. So yeah, these are all the tips and tricks I have learned from my mom. The video credit goes to literally to my mother, to her. And if you feel that this video is helpful, then please hit the like button, share with everyone, and do comment how you take care of your woolen stuff. And if you feel intrigued by watching this poncho, then please contact my mom because this is made by her. I will give the phone number and the Insta link of her page in the description box, so please do check out. And please join in my new Instagram account, because the old one got kind of stuck due to some technical glitch, so I had to open a new account. Please do join me on there. I would love to welcome you all. So yeah, that's it. See you in the next video and next video. Then stay tuned, stay healthy, and live well.